How you doing?
Doing good. How are you?
I'm doing well. So what we'll show you is our reactive dynamic digital exhaust. Now this is a tier 4. We put some resistance on it, and what you're going to do is you're going to hear that prime mover spool up as the locomotive's working harder. And then as I release you'll hear it back down.
Very cool.
And what that's doing is it's watching the load on the motor, so it can adjust the prime mover to match what you're doing. So when you encounter a grade, you'll hear the prime mover automatically notch up and spool up as it's working harder to pull the train up the hill. And then we can set the brakes, change directions, release the brakes and move. I would use that. And the sounds are interactive, so when you use your brakes more, you're depleting the air reservoir, so you can hear the compressor cycle more frequently as the locomotive is working to keep up with your needs as an operator. And so it's not just a random noisemaker, it's all interactive and everything works together just like a real locomotive will.
Very cool. Very cool.
And let me start him back up again. So you can kind of hear as the locomotive gets to speed, you hear that chuff back off. Now the engineers drop the throttle a little bit just to maintain the speed. But again, when you encounter a grade, we'll put a little resistance on the wheel to simulate. And you hear that throttle change as the engineer applies a little bit more throttle to get that locomotive and maintain the speed. And one of the things we've done with the Tsunami 2 is we've improved the rod clank sound, which to me is a very subtle, but it's a very important one.
Right.
So when you cut the throttle, you hear the chuff back off, but you hear a lot more of that clunk, 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 clunk. And so as the locomotive coasts to a stop.
Yeah, I've got
Yes, sir. So we're doing a June trade-in promotion where in the month of June, if you purchase a Tsunami 2, you can send in a trade-in. So for each Tsunami 2, up to 2 per person, you can send us an original Tsunami, or God forbid, if you've been forced to have a factory-installed sound that's not a Soundtraxx, you can send that to us and we'll trade that in for you for nothing more than $5, which is the cost of the shipping. So buy one, get one. So essentially you can get 4 decoders for the price of 2.
Nice.
And then also come visit us on our YouTube channel. This is just search YouTube for Soundtraxx. We're doing weekly videos on how to and how to really use and set up the Tsunami 2.
Excellent. Great.